Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me. I was about to go to bed until I saw 2 comments from Tabby, and she changed her name really long, so I couldn't read it through the thing that I slide down from my phone where I get all the things where my phone tells me if I got something or not, like if I missed phone calls or if I got comments or anything, and when my video was posted and stuff like that. So I had to go to Gmail or whatever and see her comments, and I'm not mad at you, buddy. Nah, I didn't call you buddy. No, I called my cat buddy. But yeah, Tabby, I'm not mad at you. Just, my God, so many cats. Okay, well, I'm not mad at you, and yeah. Bye.